How to fix iPhone Bluetooth not working after iOS update. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the problem like iPhone Bluetooth not working after an iOS update. So let's get started. First, as you have to just turn it off your Bluetooth. For that, open settings. From settings section, tap on Bluetooth. And from here, as usual, you'll have to just turn it off your Bluetooth connection for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you'll have to just turn it back on. Now from here, simple but effective, you can simply clear the update glitches. For that, restart your iPhone. For that, tap on General. And from General section, scroll down and tap on Shut Down. After you shut down your iPhone and restart, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you have to just forget and reconnect your device. For that, open Bluetooth connection. And from here, you'll have to just choose the device whom you want to connect. For that, after you choose, tap on the eye icon of that Bluetooth device. And from here, simply tap on Forget this device. Simply tap on Forget. After you forget that device, you'll have to just again reconnect that Bluetooth device on your iPhone. This will work for your AirPod, car audio, speaker and more. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just reset the entire network settings on your iPhone. For that, open up settings and from the settings tap on General. From General, scroll down and tap on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. And from here tap on Reset. From here tap on Reset Network Settings. Simply confirm with your iPhone passcode. And from here, tap on the option Reset Network Settings. After you reset the network settings on iPhone, your problem should be fixed. If this helped you, please don't forget to like and follow for more iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.